Well, good afternoon everyone, and I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the Aoocci C6 Pro install. Here it is on the NT1100. As I mentioned, it's above the standard dash, fitted to the AliExpress accessory bar. I think that was about 16 quid, and then I got this snazzy little bracket here. Is an eBay special, a guy who 3D prints these brackets, and it just means the unit sits a lot closer to the accessory bar rather than being out on a much longer bracket. I think that looks a lot smarter. I think that was about 20 quid delivered, but it is a very, very well made bit of kit, I have to say. So there she is. Let's start her up and have a look, shall we? So there you go, there's the custom home screen I've put in place. So now I've got the standard dash display below it and the Aoocci screen above it. I've fitted the remote control unit, so you've got your cameras, front and rear cameras are all working. The tyre pressure monitors are on, and in some good news, I've managed to polish out the damage I talked about on the last video. So where a set of tool had dropped down the side of the bike and scratched a little bit of paintwork, I've managed to clean that up, polish it out, so I'm very, very pleased about that. And there you go, there's the C6 Pro in all its glory. Just got to tidy up a little bit of the wiring down there. Couple of cable ties, and away we go.